From the makers of SEEVOO is a large executive chair. It has a 4-inch cushion. Well, we're going to open this bad boy up, show you what it's about, what you get, and how to install. When you open up your box, you have an instruction guide to go over in steps. Underneath that will be your parts, your T-handle Allen key, screws and bolts and all. Your center hub for your arms for the wheel base, nicely packaged. Your bottom base to tighten the spring, adjust the seat height and back. Your arms, the back of the seat, the bottom of your seat. In the box will be your arms and the wheels. The assembly of the chair and the instructions are straightforward. All your parts and material, how it's laid out in the description, and the steps to install. All your bolts, screws, washers, nuts are in the kit. With the T Allen key, part number K, you're going to take a wheel arm, and you're going to take the center hub, you're going to turn upside down, you're going to take one and slide in, you're going to take the bolt and you're going to line up, press in just a little bit and start to lock down. Put the second bolt through and then put all the other arms on like so. We have plastic washer inserts we leave in, we place over, and we lock down. When all the bolts are placed in, secure down. With the plastic wheels, place on at each end by pushing down, locking into place. The little washer at the end holds the wheels in and locks in. If ever need to pull the wheel off, hold both and pull off. Turn upside down, grab the piston, and place on. With the cover, insert over and drop on. The bottom base is now built and can be put to the side while we work on the upper part, the chair. This is your backrest. There are 4 areas of interest. We're going to place this down on the table. With bolts J, we're going to push out and open up. And caps T, we're going to push out and open up. With the left arm marked L and the right marked right, we're going to place on like so. We're going to line up the 2 holes like this. On the left arm, we're going to put in the bolts like so. We're going to place on top and lock them down. Secure down nice and tight, and repeat for the other side. With the 4 caps, close up each of the holes you're screwed into. With the front of the seat to the wall. With the part that we just built, lay on top. With parts L and N. Make sure the short and long bolts are nice and tight and secured. And locked down. With parts P and O, you're going to place on and lock down. Secure down. Simply grab the chair, place onto the piston, and that's it. On the back of the chair, over here, there are 2 handles that lift up about 5 or 6 clicks, and as your lumbar support. You have arms that simply fold back into the backrest, like so. It's a fabricated back mesh with a leather seat and leather arms, with a 23-inch height of the base and lowers down to a height of about 18 inches. Non-adjustable height for the arms by pulling and pushing into the side and out will be your adjustment and angle to the seat. To adjust the strength is underneath the spring as counterclockwise and clockwise tightens and loosens. And pushing up raises and locks into place and lowers your seat. Pushing in locks the seat into place and you're able to swivel 360 degrees around. A chair by the computer simply goes underneath, nice and comfortable for your work, and can be raised to the height you need to work at. Lift up the arms to be out of the way and do your work. The black leather seat with white stitching, with the back mesh, and the meshing on the sides of the arm and side of the seat with the top leather. The SEEVOO chair. If you're looking for a chair for your desk, computer needs, and more, check online for further details about this product, if it's right for you. Thank you for viewing.